So now I'm like, okay, so now I have to divide to get to that mixed number. So 3 goes into 4 one time. So 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 take away 3 is 1. Can 3 go into 1? No, it can't. So now I have to go, okay, it can't go into there. So now I have to go, what if I bring down the 0? So now I said, okay, I think I can do this now. So 3 goes into 10. Oh, I know. 3 times. And 3 times 3 equals 9. 10 take away 9 is 1. So I have a remainder of 1. Now I can put this into a mixed number. 40 thirds is really 13 3/3. And I have 1 out of 3 left, so 1/3. So 13 wholes and 1/3 is the same thing as 40 thirds. So number 1, we have 2 times 3 2/3. So that's telling me I have 3 wholes and 2/3, but I have that twice. So I can't really do this yet. So I'm going to have to look at my mixed fraction. So what I'm going to do to help me out here is I'm going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more is 11. So now I know, oh, that is 11 thirds. I'll show you that again. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more is 11. So I have 11 thirds. So now I can go 2 times 11 thirds. So now that's pretty easy. So 2 times 11, everybody, is, yes, 22. And we keep the denominator the same, so 22 thirds. That's like if we had all these 1/3 out and we had 22 1/3 out. But now we need to turn that into a mixed number. So how do we turn it into a mixed number? We have to divide. So now I have to multiply 22 divided by 3. Can 3 go into 2? It can't. Can 3 go into 22? Yes, it can. It can go into 22 7 times. So I'm going to put this 7 over here because 3 couldn't go into 2, so it's really like a 0. But it could go into 22, so I'm putting my 7 right there. So 3 times 7 is 21. We should all know that. And 22 take away 21 is 1. So I have a remainder of 1. So now I know for my mixed number, 22 thirds really equals 3 wholes. And remember, that's 3 wholes of 3 thirds. And what do I have left over? 1 over 3. 1/3. So your answer is 3 wholes and 1/3. The next part of my lesson says I need to multiply. Write the product as a mixed number. So I thought, okay, well I can do this. The whole number multiply by the numerator. So 6 times 2 is 12. And the denominator stays the same. 12/5. The only problem with that is it's an improper fraction, and they said they wanted us to give it and turn it into a mixed number. So what I could do is I can go ahead and once again, I can divide 12 by 5. So 5 goes into 12. Can 5 go into 1? No, it can't. Can 5 go into 12? Yes, it can. How many times? 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And 12 take away 10 is 2. So I have a remainder of 2. What this tells me is, hey, 12/5 equals 2 wholes, and I have a 2 remainder, and 2/5. So this means I had a group of 5/5, another group of 5/5, which is 10/5, and 2/5 left over, which would be 12/5. Looking at the next problem right here, I'm like, okay, 3 times 2 and 3/4. So the first thing I need to do is look at this mixed number here. So I'm going to go 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 more is 11/4. So 3 times 11/4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11/4. So now I can say, okay, I can multiply that. So 3 times 11 is 33, and the denominator stays the same. However, I have an improper fraction here. I need to turn it into a mixed number. How do I do that? Again, I have to divide. So 33 divided by 4. Can 4 go into 3? It sure can't. Can 4 go into 33? Ah, yes. 8 times. 4 times 8 is 32. 33 take away 32 is 1. So we have remainder 1. So now my answer is 33/4 equals 8 wholes and 1/4. Again, what that means, everybody, is we have 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4. So 8 4/4 plus 1 more fourth equals 33/4. And the last one we're going to try on today is 2 times 1 and 5/6. So again, I have to look at this mixed number first. So 6 times 1, everybody, is 6, plus 5 is 11. So we have 2 times 11/6. Okay, I can do this. 2 times 11 is 22. And the denominator stays the same. However, it doesn't give you my mixed number. So I'm kind of running out of space here, so I'm going to have to go, 22 divided, so 22 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 22. I'm thinking maybe it goes in 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. And 22 take away 18 is 4. So remainder 4. And if I look at that, then that means, okay, I have 3 wholes and 4 sixths. So 22/6 equals 3 wholes and 4 sixths as your mixed number. So there's my answer. There was my answer. And, oh, I don't even know if I wrote the answer on that one. It doesn't look like I did. So you needed to change them into that mixed number. If I did, 2 2/5. I wrote it up here.